very warm welcome to you. I'm Gabriella Kovács, textile artist. I create large pictures and narrative objects of felt into which I often work yarns or other woven elements. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make such a unique backpack for everyday wear, the cover of which itself can look like a small fiber painting. In addition to the basic techniques of wet felting, you will also learn how to consider the color layout for smooth color transitions in your design. You'll get a glimpse into other design aspects, and you will also learn how to adjust the templates to your own size requirements. You will get master tips for pre-felt making and silk fiber use in your felt. I'll also show you how to create a thin but sturdy bag. You'll learn how to make inner pockets. You will also learn how to make strong, stretch-free straps for your bag. Also learn how to create an exciting, strong upper handle. And you will be given instructions on how to build on additional small parts. I recommend the tutorial for felters from intermediate level up. Although the size and complexity of the object requires quite a lot of patience, following the detailed instructions makes the process easy to master. In the case of intricate details, I draw your attention to possible errors and propose a solution to solve them. I divided the video into 13 work phases, in which I marked the optional resting points where you can interrupt your work even for several days. This way you can progress on your own schedule. The preparation time of the backpack is 5 days when you create it in one go. I guided several participants already through this process in live workshops. Many eye-catching and one-of-a-kind backpacks were made this way. Each piece praises the color consideration and pattern design of its maker. Join me in this ride, make your own unique backpack. I wish you a joyful and pleasant creation.